Update charger LCD DWIN Model screen must have SD card 2 to 8 GB only. Next is to put the update file on the SD card. Select the inserted SD card. After that, select the format command. Choose FAT32 and choose Start. DWIN set put it on the SD card. After that, copy the folder name. On the SD card, there must be only the folder DWIN. As for the model of the LCD monitor, is use the DWIN model. The first step is to find the SD card slot. After that, insert the SD card into the slot. Next will be the screen display after inserting the SD card. In video, it only increases the speed of the key. Caution: updating the screen takes about 3 to 4 minutes. If not the same as mentioned above, it may be caused by damages SD card. Wait until the update is complete.